The essence of spirit, embracing our true nature, finding our true selves, is about harmonizing our human experience with the deeper, eternal presence of spirit within us. Hi friends, I'm Scott, and I welcome you to be one with me as we journey together to be the best we can. Let's explore how we are both physical and spiritual beings, walking the delicate balance between earthly existence and the divine. Our spirit, the essence of who we are, is not something separate or distant, but is the very force that unites us and with all things, all people, all of existence itself. The real challenge is not in understanding that we are spirit. Deep down, we already know this truth. Instead, our greatest task is to fully connect with the infinite source of that spirit, to awaken our divine nature and recognize our role in the greater web of life. The age-old questions, where do we come from? And why are we here? These are not just philosophical musings. They are signposts guiding us back to our source. So what is our role as spiritual beings? When we embrace our role, an inseparable part of the ultimate energy that is, we unlock the potential for a life of joy, purpose, fulfillment. This awareness with it is profound realization. We do not exist in isolation. Our lives are intertwined with those around us, and our choices ripple outward, shaping both our personal journeys and the collective experience of humanity. At first, this responsibility can feel overwhelming. What is my purpose? How do I honor my spiritual path? What am I meant to contribute to the world? While our individual expressions of spirituality may differ, at the core, we share a universal truth. We are all connected. There is no beginning or end to anything. Pause and let that sink in. Every moment, every action, every thought is part of a continuous flow of energy, shaped by the past and influencing the future. Everything we do reflects on who we are, and everything we are has been shaped by all that came before us. When we realize this, we stop seeing life as a series of isolated events and instead begin to understand the deeper sacred interconnectionness of all things. We come from the same source. And we will return to it. You know, but in this brief, beautiful human experience, we are given the gift of choice to embrace our divinity, to live with purpose, and to honor our connection with the universe and each other. The more we align with this truth, the more we awaken to the infinite possibilities of spiritual energy in our lives. Yeah. Subscribe to this channel so we can reach more people with content for mind, body, and spirit. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments. And remember, like and share the video. It helps the algorithm. Visit beonewithme.com for more content. And more is coming from the heart for the soul. And remember, a smile can make someone's day, and the right words may change their lives. Yeah. I love you. Be you. Be one with me.